Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PlayStation 5 to a laptop. It's important to understand that most laptops have HDMI output ports, not input ports, meaning a direct connection for display won't work. The only reliable and effective method to achieve this is by utilizing an external video capture card. This device acts as an intermediary, allowing your laptop to receive and display the PlayStation 5's video signal, transforming your laptop screen into a monitor for your console. To get started, you'll need a few key items. First, an external HDMI video capture card is essential. You'll also require two HDMI cables to facilitate the connections. Make sure your laptop is equipped with a USB 3.0 port or higher, as this is crucial for the capture card's performance. Finally, download and install the specific software provided by your capture card manufacturer onto your laptop before you begin. Let's connect everything. Begin by plugging one HDMI cable from your PlayStation 5's HDMI out port into the capture card's HDMI input. Next, connect the capture card to your laptop using its USB 3.0 cable. If your capture card has an HDMI output, you can use the second HDMI cable to connect it to an external monitor for pass-through. Finally, open the capture card's software on your laptop to see your PlayStation 5's display. To ensure the best possible gaming experience, optimize your settings. Within the capture card software, adjust the resolution and frame rate to match your preferences and laptop capabilities. Always confirm your laptop meets the capture card's minimum system requirements. Close any unnecessary background applications to minimize latency and improve performance. For online gaming, a wired internet connection is always recommended for stability and speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.